Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the lapel damage and stabilizing it so repair is predictable. First, feel the fabric and identify whether the tear affects the outer fabric, seam allowance, or lining. This determines technique. Once done, trim loose threads, press the lapel flat with low heat, and pin the edges to hold alignment. If the edge is fraying, apply a tiny amount of fabric glue to prevent further unraveling. This buys time while you prepare the needle and matching thread for the next step. Now you perform the actual stitching and any patching, which restores strength and appearance. Choose a matching thread and a fine needle. For visible areas, use a ladder stitch for an invisible seam or backstitch for strength when the lapel end bears stress. If fabric was lost, slip a small underpatch behind the hole and baste it in place before final stitches so the surface lies flat. Make short, even stitches along existing seam lines and secure with tight knots tucked inside the lining to hide them. Finish by pressing and testing the repaired lapel to ensure it sits and rolls correctly. Carefully steam or press with a cloth barrier at low temperature. This sets stitches and smooths fabric without shine. Inspect alignment, trim stray threads, and make sure the lining and any trim are secure. Finally, test movement by gently folding the lapel and wearing the jacket briefly. If you notice puckering or stiffness, loosen nearby stitches, reseat the underpatch, and restitch with smaller tension to restore a clean drape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.